Hey guys, what's up? Bionic Combiner is back again with another Transformers video review. This time it is of Transformers Dark of the Moon Deluxe Class Specialist Ratchet. Now, he is in fact a repaint of the Deluxe Class Ratchet. Now, rumor has it that we might actually get a Leader Class Ratchet. If that actually goes down, one, I'll be shocked. And two, it might not turn out as great as some people would pass it off to be. I mean, that's just my personal opinion. Now, however, this figure is actually really nice. Like the silver paint, the red plastic, it looks so good on this figure. I mean, I liked the green Ratchet too, don't get me wrong, but he's more of a puke green, like that neon green, that didn't do it for me. But this is a really good figure. I really like him. Now, the weapon, however, I don't really think fits Ratchet all that well, because I believe that this was originally designed for Nitro Bumblebee. I think. I'm not completely sure, but if you pull on it, it becomes a double barrel rifle. And then, yeah, I don't see how this works out for him. So I'm gonna pull that off and set that to the side. And his transformation is all the same. So if you'd like, you can just skip through the rest of this, because I'm just gonna transform him, since I don't have any of that crazy stuff that I had with my aunt's camera where I could go, oh, we'll be right back, and then bam, he's in robot mode. Now there's a problem right there. This won't stay straight. That annoyed me the very moment I transformed him. But oh well. If you don't want to hear me rant about it, just go to the bottom, hit the thing, and scroll over until you at least see him in robot mode. If you want a full detailed transformation, go find my Dark of the Moon Deluxe Class Ratchet review, because that's probably the only way you're gonna get a transformation on this mold out of me. Because I reviewed this mold once already. Don't like repeating myself. So there he is in his robot mode, and there's the puke green one right there. I'm too lazy to pick up, to get myself up and go get him. But yeah. He holds his weapon just fine. The wrist swivel from side to side. Now, the robot mode, the way the colors just kind of help separate the red. Oh man, this robot mode looks nice. Especially with the red. I really like this figure. Because I always liked, because I never really liked the green on Ratchet, but every single time we ended up getting a what do you call it? Every single time we got a repaint of the green Ratchet into either a white or a red, it looked good every single time. Like, just to prove my point, technical difficulties, people. Technical difficulties. table is way too wobbly. That's the only problem I have with my setup. Is the table. So, as I was saying before I rudely messed up the setup, here's another example of a great repaint. The Home for the Decepticons Rescue Ratchet. This was a nice repaint. It was definitely a nice transition from that horrible green, yellow looking color to this really nice white and red. You know, this just screams G1 to me. And this is also a really great figure. So if you missed out on Dark of the Moon Ratchet, by all means pick up Specialist Ratchet, because this is a really, really, really nice figure. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, with that being said, this is Bionicle Buyer signing out from the video review of Transformers Dark of the Moon Deluxe Class Specialist Ratchet.